Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You can post directly to the ledger when transactions are routine, low risk, and supported by source documents. Examples include petty cash disbursements under 000 and recurring subscription fees. Ensure your accounting software enforces an entry date, user ID, and approval control before allowing direct posting. Always attach a source document ID and a concise one-line description to each ledger record so reviewers can trace amounts back to invoices. Begin by confirming the correct chart of accounts code and balance type for the transaction. Enter the transaction date, a clear description, the debit amount, the credit amount, and a reference ID that links to a scanned receipt or invoice. Before saving, verify that total debits equal total credits for the single direct post. If not, correct the amounts. Save a PDF copy of the supporting document with the ledger record and tag it with user initials and a timestamp for accountability. Implement controls. Require manager approval for direct posts over 500 or if the entry is created more than 30 days after the transaction date. Schedule monthly reconciliations against bank statements, vendor balances, and a prepared trial balance to detect mispostings. If you discover an error, create a reversing entry and a corrected post within 30 days, document the reason, record the approver, and retain both entries with supporting evidence. Maintain change logs and periodic reviews to preserve audit readiness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.